So I've been seeing your guys' comments, and everyone's letting me, well, pretty much telling me they want to know how the shirt's held up. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys the quality of the shirt and the quality of the print or whatever. Just keep in mind that these shirts were washed and dried every single day. Pretty much in mostly all my videos I was wearing the shirt, but I'm gonna give you guys my suggestion and pretty much the verdict of either you should go this route or you shouldn't go this route. So let's get started. So the first shirt that I printed out was the Burgundy Initiate shirt. I like the color burgundy. I went ahead and used the white plastisol transfer paper, and of course I actually bumped up the settings of whatever FMexpression was telling me to use. I bumped up the heat temperature a little bit, and used a lot more pressure, and instead of 7 seconds I went 10 seconds. So this is the turnout of this shirt, and also this shirt was washed and dried every single day, so just keep that in mind. So let me show you guys in more detail how this shirt looks. So this is the Burgundy Initiate shirt, and you can tell, like you could straight tell, there's a lot of cracks on it. Even if I spread it out, there's a lot of cracks. Even the bottom letters too, there's a bunch of cracks. Show you guys the left side real quick. Even the eye, there's a bunch of cracks as well. To give you guys a good, this shirt was washed every single day, is the all style tag. It's supposed to be black. This one's like faded already. So this is the turnout after washing it every day. The print's still there, but the design of it's like super cracked. This burgundy shirt is actually a little bit faded as well. So this is how the turnout is for this particular shirt. So I'm gonna show you guys the black shirt. So this is the black shirt. As you can tell, the E, there's a bunch of cracks there. The T, there's a bunch of cracks. And focus it real quick. So this shirt is cracked. The eye is pretty good, but if you stretch it out, there's a little bit of cracks in there as well. The end too, if you stretch it out, there's cracks. The bottom letters too, there's cracks too. You can see right here on the bottom right here, there's cracks. This shirt was also washed every single day because I would always wear it. And this all style tag is not as faded as much as the burgundy one. Of course I would always wear the burgundy one, but it is pretty faded a little bit. But this is supposed to be super black. And again, this is a 100% cotton shirt. The burgundy one was also a 100% cotton shirt. So this is the turnout for the black shirt. Now I'm gonna show you guys the white one. So this is the white shirt. This is also a 100% cotton shirt. Since it's a darker ink, it's kind of hard to tell where the cracks are at. So I'm actually gonna stretch them for you. So as you can see, the bottom right here, there's cracks. The E is pretty good. The T, it's okay. There's also cracks on the bottom, as you can see right here. The letters on the bottom are okay. Again, I actually didn't wash this shirt as much because I always tend to get white shirts dirty. You guys can tell right here, there's a little stain. I don't really wear white because if I'm working on the car, I wouldn't wear a white shirt to work on a car. It's gonna get full of oil and stuff like that. So this was also machine washed and machine dried. This is also a 100% cotton shirt. This is an all style shirt. This is how the color of the tag supposed to be, like a dark black, if you guys can see. But if I were to wash this every single day or wear it every single day, this shirt will look like the other shirts. So this is the turnout of the white shirt. Again, it's kind of hard to see the cracks because it's black ink, but if you guys were to see it in person, you guys would be able to see the cracks on the shirt as well. So I'm gonna show you guys the military green shirt. Again, since it's a darker ink, but since it's not a white shirt, it's actually, you know, darker, you can actually see the cracks better. You can tell right here, man. Look, there's 2 cracks here, there's 1 crack here, there's a crack on the A. You can see the bottom of the T right here, there's some cracks. There's some cracks around here too. So this is the military green shirt, and again, this is an all style 100% cotton shirt. And I don't really wear this shirt that much, but it's like starting to, I don't know, it's starting to get into my wardrobe or whatever you guys want to call it. Like, I'm starting to like wearing this shirt. This is probably, this one, like my top 3 would be the burgundy, black, and this one for sure. The white would be last because, again, if I wear white, I always tend to get the white shirt dirty. But this is the turnout for the military green shirt. So hopefully this video kind of showed you guys the route you guys want to go. Again, if you're doing it this way, you can actually make a t-shirt with your design super cheap. You can buy the transfer paper for about 15 cents at FMexpression, but there's a catch where they do a setup fee, so you're gonna have to pay the setup fee and plus however many transfer paper you want. So if you buy more, the transfer papers are gonna be less. So if you buy like a big bulk order, the transfer paper will be a lot less. This shirt that I'm wearing is actually a all style 100% cotton shirt, just to let you guys know. I switched shirts from the all style to next level, and next level shirts are super soft. They're like my favorite shirts in my opinion. I actually had one customer already buy a military green shirt with the next level, and he absolutely loved it. He sent me a message saying like, dude, this shirt is super soft. So go ahead and check out what shirts you want to get. There's so many shirts. There's the Gildan, all style, next level, canvas. There's so many shirts. So whatever you guys want to print on, I suggest just buy like a plain white t-shirt and try all style, Gildan, next level, Bella canvas or whatever, and just see what shirts you feel comfortable with. For me, I like shirts that are soft, especially like during the summertime. If you have a soft shirt, that cool breeze that hits you, it feels really good. So the moment of truth you guys been waiting for. Should you go this route? To be honest, I would rather you guys get your shirts screen printed. The reason why is because there's a lot of variables with heat press. Sometimes your heat press doesn't reach that certain temperature. Sometimes you leave the shirt for too long. An example would be, like, say you put it for 7 seconds, and then, you know, when you try to lift the heat press, it sometimes gets a little tough. Time will be added, so like say you have you're putting it for 7 seconds to burn, but the handle is a little too tough, then you go up 2 more seconds, so you lift up the handle when you did a 9-second press. So again, there's a lot of variables for it, but if you're that type of person that wants quality shirt, again, screen printing is the way to go, because that design is gonna last longer. When they wash it, it's not gonna crack like the plastisol transfers, like how I showed you guys, and you just get quality. The design will probably last longer than the shirt. So that's why, for me, since I'm the type of person that wants, you know, my customer to have a quality shirt, I'll rather get it screen printed than heat pressed. Don't get me wrong, that plastisol transfer paper isn't bad. It's actually good for, you know, if you want to make a quick t-shirt and take pictures of it, then by all means this is the best thing you can do, because 1, you're not spending a lot of money for it, and 2, the production time of doing it is so fast. Like, you could probably do it within like 10 to 15 seconds. But again, if you're that type of person that wants a quality shirt and you want the design to last long, then screen printing is the way to go. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Again, heat press and screen printing are a whole different ball game. Screen printing requires a lot more equipment than just the heat press, Teflon sheet, and of course your transfer paper or your design, what you're trying to press on. Screen printing is, again, it's a whole different ball game. You need the screen, the squeegee, the ink, dryer. You need a bunch of stuff in order to get that shirt looking good. But the more work you do with the screen printing, the better your shirt is gonna be, and it's gonna be like super good quality. So it's just the way you guys want to go. Don't get me wrong, transfer paper, if you want to do something on the fly, or if you want to see how your design looks on a shirt, then that's the way to go. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below, and like always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.